discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.3, question number 4. And question we have integral of 1 over x natural log of x dx. Very simple question, right? So first of all, you have to see what is the function. Natural log of x is the function. Then we have to see whether the derivative is available or not. So the natural log of x, the derivative is 1 over x dx, which is available. So we will suppose that t is equal to, here I will suppose t and make it natural log of x. So dt over dx, what is the derivative of natural log of x? It is equal to 1 over x. So dt is equal to, if I want the value of only dt, so dx over x. Now we will put in our, so 1 over natural log, see 1 divided by natural log of x, and we have supposed that t is equal to so instead of natural log of x, I can write down t. Now what is remaining? 1 over x dx. 1 over x dx is equal to dt, so I can write down here dt. So this is the function and the derivative is available here. How we will solve it? Only natural log of t plus c. But here we will not finish our question. T, the value of t is equal to natural log of x. You have to say that we have to put the value of t here, and this is the answer. So this exercise is based on the substitution method. We have to substitute, right? We have to suppose t is equal to natural log of x, then the derivative of this natural log of x is 1 over x dt, right? So instead of this 1 over x, we can write down dt, and log of x, natural log of x t, then you have to find out the answer, or you can solve for integration. If still you have any question, please ask me, and thanks for watching.